What exactly does it mean to sharpen the saw? These are principles of balance, self-renewal, and sharpening the saw. It's preserving and enhancing the greatest asset you have, you. It's renewing the 4 dimensions of your nature: physical, spiritual, mental, and social emotional. Sharpen the saw basically means expressing all 4 of these motivations. It means exercising all 4 dimensions of our nature regularly and consistently in wise and balanced ways. To do this, we must be proactive. Taking time to sharpen the saw is a definite Quadrant 2 activity, and Quadrant 2 must be acted on. Quadrant 1, because of its urgency, acts on us. Keep in mind we learned this before. It presses upon us constantly. Covey 2007, page 476. In this speech, I discuss about sharpening the saw. More specifically, I discuss 2 areas in my life where I need to use it and how I'm going to go about restoring those weak areas. Now, let's first talk about the first area. I will work on physical dimension, my body. Instead of waiting to change, I need to do it now. I don't need to wait. Eating the correct foods within a certain calorie limit every single day, as well as taking 30 minutes to about an hour of exercise daily, will help me get back into the shape that I need to be in. In order to make this happen, providing a list and keeping track on an app of what I eat every single day will keep me not only accountable, but keep me where I want to be. The greatest benefit I will experience from exercising will be the development of my habit. Muscles of proactivity, which is habit 1. As you act based on the value of physical well-being instead of reacting to all the forces that keep you from exercising, your paradigm of yourself, your self-esteem, and your self-confidence, and your integrity will be profoundly affected. Covey 2007, page 483. Now let's move on to the second area of my life. I need to better my social and emotional integrity by understanding that I can step out of my own frame of reference without giving it up, that I can really deeply understand another human being, as well as push myself to private victory. I can start now and make it possible by surrounding myself with good people and people who want to better me, as well as themselves. In conclusion, the speech discussed how to sharpen the saw, but more specifically, how both of the areas of my life truly needed it. Now, remember this. Living the 7 habits is a constant struggle for everyone. Everyone falters from time to time on each of the 7, and sometimes all 7 simultaneously. They really are simple to understand, but extremely difficult to consistently practice. Covey 2017, page 259.